I just wanted to let you guys know this is not a paid endorsement. I wasn't compensated for making this video. I am just giving you my honest opinion of this product in hopes that it will help you. The case was a high-density styrofoam. It's definitely lightweight, but it would protect your Osmo very well either in shipping or in your luggage while traveling. Tons of people have been saying how the app is just so stupid and how hard it is to use and how hard it is to set up everything. To me, I don't know what to think of it because it was really easy to set up the app and the Osmo. It literally took me 20 minutes to set up everything. I was lucky enough to get my Osmo Mobile 2 before its release date. So I did this short review video for those of you who might be interested in buying one. I had to get mine from Apple. This was the only source at the time of my purchase. I don't know if DJI plans to make the Osmo Mobile 2 available through other retailers. I paid approximately $130 plus tax. Notice that the Osmo footage is slightly zoomed in compared to the other video. This was not intentional, it was a default setting. Oh snap, this is my favorite part because look how smooth that is. Look, oh my god. Oh! The controls are really easy to use. The gimbal feels like it's well made. I love it so much, I am super satisfied with my purchase. At $130, it's about $70 cheaper than the DJI's previous model. I think it's a good buy and I highly recommend it. Let me know if you'd like me to review a drone next. Make sure to follow me on social media to see more of me. Make sure to turn post notifications on, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys very much and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.